Welcome traders to this trade example using Elliott Wave and momentum and volume, which is extremely important when taking decisions either to book profits to close the trade or to start a new trade. Understanding how to validate the end of the waves by using momentum and volume is something extremely important. Here we have the price on gold. This is gold hourly chart. You can apply these techniques on any time frame and any instrument. As we can see, let's start with this leg, which has been selling off, and let's see the momentum and volume, how it interacts with the price action. As we can see from this high, let's say all the way down to the wave 3, this fast move down, the MACD line, this is a regular MACD, was able to cover all this distance. But then in the next part of the process here, this leg, look how is going flat, and the distance between the high and the low compared to the MACD is nothing when we compare the high and this low, and the high and this low is a bigger distance on the MACD. That is called losing momentum. When the MACD starts to flatten out and when the MACD starts losing that momentum, we have to book the profits. Plus, the histogram, which is the internal MACD momentum, is losing momentum. Probably this is not a clear buy trade, but this setup is good when you want to exit your trade. Plus, look how the volume, when the price moves lower, increases. When this combination happens, when we have the MACD losing momentum and the volume increasing, is called absorption, because the price is having trouble to continue. The result is pretty poor, let's say, with a big effort. That tells that it's absorption, that the big guy is booking profits, and we have to get ready for a bounce or for quite a strong retrace. After that, as we can see, the price goes sideways. So we have sideways price after that. I'm calling this a triangle in this case. And the next trade is quite clear. This is a trade that we were following in the Elliott Wave Street membership. We have a membership with a live trading room. Every morning we have the live trading room where we share the trading plans in many markets like gold, oil, the S&P, the Nasdaq, some Forex markets and cryptos, and we resolve questions, and it's actually something great for your trading if you want to join a community. So here, traders, we have the price having a fresh low, and as we can see, this time the MACD is failing to make a fresh low compared to the previous low. This is the classical divergence setup, but what is actually happening here is a massive absorption from the big guy. What we did in the membership, we started the process to go long here. We got 2 entries, one here and the second one here. But this one is quite interesting because, as you can see, while the price is going down, the volume, this low here, is reducing. So in this case, we have divergence plus the volume is fading. We're seeing the volume reducing while the price is going down in a divergent context. This is extremely bullish. When we have this type of setup, we need to focus on finding the buy trade. What we do for a swing trade usually is to move to lower time frames like the 30-minute chart and start developing the trading plan from there. So if you have the skill, if you have the understanding of the market, you can fade the trend. And if this is something that you don't have the technique, or you don't have the skill yet, don't worry, you are going to get it. But here, it's a second chance, and this trade is actually easier at the wave 2. So at the wave 2, when the price builds the wave 1, this is easier, because now you have this part of the price, which makes the price more clear for you. And look, the price builds the wave 2 almost without momentum. The MACD barely moves down. It's tiny, the move down. So why we have this strong move, a strong momentum, a strong volume, better, weak momentum, and quite a strong price, roughly 50% of discount, and the result is quite poor. This doesn't have any sense. This is a huge mistake from the market, or absorption. So what is happening here is that our friend, the big guy, that's a great way to validate a wave 2. You can now have a different perspective of why some wave 2s are going to work and some are going to fail when you add the concept of liquidity and absorption from the big guy. Sounds complex, but it's actually something really simple that we can teach you in the membership. So here is the next point of entry. Okay, so either here or here we can start the bullish trade, and then when the price moves higher, look how the momentum is increasing, the volume is also going up, but eventually the MACD flattens, as we can see, almost from this area. And when the price makes a fresh high and the volume now is lower than the previous volume, that's a profit taken. Here you have to be extremely careful. Look how the MACD is flat. The histogram on the MACD is losing momentum, and in this case volume is drying up. This is a major signal to book your profits, not to sell. We didn't sell it here, we actually buy it here, and we were following the corrective wave to add more or to follow the price. That was an exercise that we were doing on the live market. We didn't sell it here, but we can use these signals to close the trade, to book the profits, to tight the stop loss, or however we want to manage the trade. We have many techniques that we can give you to manage properly your trade. And then when the MACD line crosses down the signal line and we have this big sell-off, we have to be careful. So if we haven't closed the trade before, we have to do it here, because we know thanks to the momentum, the volume, we can have either a retrace or a fresh low, whatever, because there is happening, there the big guy is getting ready for that setup to happen. So we can trade point to point, wave by wave. If you want to swing trade them, or if you want to day trade them if you move to lower time frames. But with this market map, with this roadmap, you have a complete picture of what to do inside. And of course, when you add the wave count, but you learn how to validate the end of the waves, your life change forever, because of course now you have the context of the market with Elliott Wave, plus the validations coming from price action, momentum, and volume. If you want to learn more about this technique and watch the live sessions every day, we have on Elliott Wave Street the membership. The membership is a community where you are going to have access to many resources, educational resources, live trading, examples, wave counts, and more. Here on elliottwavestreet.com/membership, you are going to find all the details. We have a special of 50% discount to the first month on any plan. So make sure to come here and check the plan that you'd like to sign up for, and you will get immediate access to the community and to the live trading rooms every morning. I'll see you at the other side. Have a fantastic rest of your trading session. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.